The audio description plugin for Closed Caption Creator includes over 100 different synthetic voices, including studio voices from Google and Microsoft. But what if you want to train your own voices and get access to some of the highest quality voices in the industry? In the final video of our audio description for beginners course, we're going to walk you through integrating ElevenLabs with Closed Caption Creator. ElevenLabs is a third-party platform that allows you to train your own synthetic voices by uploading pre-recorded audio. It also includes a number of pre-trained voices that are licensed for commercial use. To start, you'll need to sign up for an ElevenLabs account. In the ElevenLabs dashboard, you'll want to go down to your name and click Profile. Unhide the API key by clicking the eye icon. Next, copy the API key and go back to Closed Caption Creator. Open up the Options menu and go to the Integrations tab. Paste in your API key under the ElevenLabs section and click Save Settings. Now when you open the Virtual Voice Manager in the QuickTools drawer, you'll see ElevenLabs as one of the language options. Here you'll have access to all of your ElevenLabs voices. Pin the voices you wish to use and they'll become available within your project.
The screen fades up to show a snowy mountainscape. A woman holding a staff walks in the snow. Her face is half covered by the collar of her coat.
If you run into any issues using your ElevenLabs voices, please feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always happy to help.